Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact image files and tools you'll need. Open your image editor and set canvas sizes, 1024 by 1024 for the logo and 512 by 512 for the kit. Once done, export PNGs with transparent backgrounds and optimized file size. Make sure to keep quality. Next, use a file manager to find the Dream League data folder and back up any original kit and logo files. This prevents loss and lets you revert. Now you import and map your assets into the game. First, rename your new PNG files to the exact file names used by Dream League. Mismatches break the link. Then copy or move those PNGs into the game's kit and logo directory, overriding the originals. Once transferred, launch the game and go to the team customization screen to assign the new kit and logo. If they don't display, clear the app cache and reload the game to force an update before trying again. Finish by verifying alignment and appearance in-game. You will likely need small tweaks. Open the in-game kit editor to adjust collar, sleeve, and sponsor placement so the design reads correctly on the player model. If graphics look stretched or missing, confirm PNG dimensions, transparency layers, and that file permissions allow the app to read them. As a final step, save backups of your working files. That way, if a game update resets assets, you can restore them instantly and avoid rebuilding from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.